Fun.
Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
Maybe I'll see a snow bunny.
Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
This weekend is well worth your money.
Come to camp, come to camp. Come to camp, come to camp.
Wanna roll a snowball down the hill with me? We'll keep on pushing, we'll see how big it can be. Winter's not the same if you're not out there in the snow. And if you don't come with me, you'll be left out in the cold.
To Avalanche, to Avalanche.
If you don't come, you won't have no fun.
Come to Avalanche, come to Avalanche.
If you don't come, you won't have no fun.
Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
Top bug will leave you all sweaty.
Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
The pasta's usually spaghetti.
Come to camp, come to camp. Come to camp, come to camp.
Avalanche.
The food is so delicious, it's all homemade for my breakfast. I like muffin, taco salad for my luncheon. Don't you know I'm munching? Have some chicken for my dinner. Fill my plate before I hit the slopes. I promise this, winter camp is marvelous. Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
Boys' cabins are really smelly.
Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
Learn about heaven and hell.
Winter camp, it is the greatest place.
Maybe you will see Buck Norris.